Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to activate automatic reply on WhatsApp in a very simple way. All you have to do is follow the steps without any programs before I start explaining. Thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to everyone who watched the video, subscribe to the channel, click the like button and share the video. Thank you from the heart. Now let's go to the explanation. We go to our WhatsApp account, the WhatsApp business account, not the regular WhatsApp. The regular WhatsApp does not have the automatic deterrence feature. You have to use one of the programs. If you want me to share with you the best program for automatic reply on WhatsApp, write that in the comments and I will make a video of this program. Now we complete the explanation after entering your WhatsApp business account. Click on the three small dots above here, then click on Business Tools. After that, you will find three types of automatic responses. The first type is the welcome message. When you receive a new message from a number you do not know, you can write a welcome message so that that person can be responded to automatically. There is also a message outside of working hours. This means that when you are not available outside of working hours, this message will be automatically responded to by people who send you messages outside of your working hours. There are also quick responses. You choose the automatic response that suits you and write the message you want and activate this feature. I hope you liked the video. For any inquiries, any problems or any suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video.